Do sponges have sexual reproduction? Have you ever wondered how sponges, those fascinating creatures of the ocean, reproduce? Well, sponges do have sexual reproduction, and it's quite interesting. Most sponges are hermaphroditic, which means they can produce both male and female reproductive cells, called gametes. However, they usually do not releases both at the same time. During the process of sexual reproduction, sponges engage in a behavior known as spawning. They releases sperm into the water, which can then be carried to other sponges of the same species. This is where the magic happens. The sperm enters another sponge through its pores. Inside, specialized cells capture the sperm and deliver it to the eggs, where fertilization takes place. Once fertilization occurs, the fertilized egg develops into a motile larva. This larva is equipped with tiny hair-like structures known as cilia, which help it swim. After a while, the larva settles down to grow into a new sponge, continuing the life cycle. This exchange of genetic material between different sponges is essential for promoting genetic diversity within sponge populations. But that's not all. Sponges can also reproduce asexually through several methods. One common method is budding, where a small new sponge grows from the parent sponge and eventually detaches to live independently. Another method is fragmentation, which happens when a piece of sponge breaks off and grows into a clone of the original sponge. Additionally, sponges can form specialized survival structures called gemmules. These gemmules allow sponges to survive harsh conditions and can later regenerate into new individuals when conditions improve. Interestingly, some sponge species can reproduce both sexually and asexually, sometimes even within the same individual. This flexibility allows sponges to adapt to different environmental conditions and maintain their populations effectively. In summary, sponges do indeed have sexual reproduction, involving the production and exchange of sperm and eggs between individuals. This leads to fertilized larvae that contribute to the continuation of sponge species in marine environments. Combined with their asexual methods, sponges show remarkable resilience and diversity as important marine animals.